Hey, it's me, Hassel with WTI, and I have really curly hair. And in order for me to keep my hair not looking frizzy when I style it, this is the last step I have added to my curly hair routine. This is the Frizz-Ease Moisture Barrier Firm from Frieda, and it is a hold hairspray. This one comes in a 12-ounce pack, and it comes with two of these. I absolutely love this product. It lasts for so long. I deal with a lot of humidity, and this has helped me seal out the humidity and combat my hair frizz. Whenever I do a hairstyle, it holds all day. That's something I like. And something I absolutely appreciate about this product is that in contrast to other ones that I've had, this one holds my hair without it being sticky, and that's awesome because I don't like my hair to feel sticky at all whenever I'm using a hair product, and that's why this is my main choice. I have really fine hair and it's worked well. It brushes out easily as well, and the smell is really pleasant. Since where I live is really humid, I absolutely need this product in order for my hair to look good, especially for those occasions when I'm gonna be out for a long time. So if you want to try out a nice hairspray that can help you keep your hair super nice and looking good and sleek all day, well, this one from Frieda is the one that I love and I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.